receive goods on a sales return. You need to make sure you have page 20 on your reference book open as well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're still on the sales module. We're going to go to sales transaction entry. You need to make sure that for the type ID that it's return. Accept the default document number. For customer ID, click on the lookup button and scroll down and find your unique customer. For the date, we need to make sure it is 6/20/2017. For the default site ID, we need to click on the magnifying glass and we need to find our unique site. We need to click on the Show Details expansion button. Then we need to click on the lookup button for our unique item. Then we're going to return to, and then when the sales return quantities entry window opens, we need to make sure we go to the return and put 2 in there as well and click OK. And one thing I forgot to do for customer PO, it tells us it needs to be RR5407 as shown on page 7/6 of your instruction booklet. And we need to make sure that our sales transaction entry screen looks like the one on page 7-8 of your instructions booklet. Then we want to click on Go To in Distributions, and we want to make sure that our sales distribution entry window looks like the screenshot on page 7-8 of your instruction booklets. Then we'll click OK. And since this is the only item we're returning, we're now ready to go to Actions and Post. And we're ready to close out and move to our second step in returning something. So with the general ledger reports, I would suggest that you print those to the screen so that you can see those. And then as each one opens up, you'll want to make sure you do screenshots of those and then go in and paste those into your document that you'll be submitting to me, so that way I can see what you've done. So as you close out each one, the new one will open up and you'll just on your keyboard do a print screen and then go into your Word document and paste that for me. The second step is to apply the sales return, and this is from your quick reference table on page 21 in your instructions booklet. This starts with step V. So we're going to still be in the sales module, and we're going to scroll down to apply the sales document. We're going to find our customer ID from the lookup button. For the type, we're going to select returns. We're going to accept the default document number. And it's not giving me a default number. So what I'm going to do is just go to the screenshot on page 7-9 of my instructions booklet and type in RTN1001 and let that be my return. Oops. Well, choose the invoice.